What's up, team? Fullest, this is girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I went to drive, and then I went to the city. I wanted to do vlog for you guys, but it was raining so bad and the winds was so hard. I almost fly out. Like the neighbor, my neighbor right there, like right there, the how do you call this, the headgear, you know, the thing you put on your garden, it falls down because of the wind. So I'm just coming home. The kitchen is a mess, okay? Excuse that. I went to buy some stuff that I need to cook. I don't actually need to cook, but now I don't feel like I'm going to cook because the kitchen is just one mess. I wanted to cook something because, you guys, my freezer just came, and so I'm cooking like different dishes to put in the freezer. So what I also did, this is the old one, this one is going, and my nightstand that I ordered is here. So I'm going to try to see how it looks like, if it's something I need to fix or is it already fixed. I don't know, because at first I was like, okay, I do have sauce in the freezer. I was like, maybe I should just cook, but now that my nightstand is here, let's just forget cooking. Yeah, okay, let me put this up. What you got? I don't even have. Let's forget cooking. Let me open this. I hope if they fix it, it will be very nice. So, or they just put it like this. I'm not supposed to come and fix it. I hope they already fixed it. Ah, this box is too big. Oh, how is the box big like this? This thing feels very light. Ah, what did I buy? I thought it was going to be a nightstand. Why is it so light? Huh? Have they already fixed this nightstand? I prayed that they already fixed it. Because, what is this? I have to take it out of this big box that they just bring here. Is it already fixed? Or I have to come and fix it? If it's already fixed, it will be easier for me. Then I can just go ahead and cook the food that I want to cook. But if it's not fixed, then we have to forget about the cooking first, because this is Ami for you. It looks like it's already fixed. Ah, it looks like it is already, because this thing was pretty expensive. Oh, no joke. This thing was expensive. Ah, it looks like they already fixed it. Oh, ah, wait, let me put this on the ground. Ah, Jesus, thank God. If they already fixed it, I'll be very, very happy to order from you people again. Then, they already fixed it. Oh, see my nightstand. Yo, this is the best. This is the best ever. I got a nightstand that is already fixed. Picodu, it's already fixed. So, hey, God, this is the first time, that I'm getting something that is already fixed. Anyway, the price alone that I pay for it. So it's good that they already fixed it. Let's take this one upstairs first. Let me go. My bedroom is such a mess. Gaat het goed? My bedroom is such a mess. So I have been buying stuff for the kids. Buying little stuff for the kids. Oh, this is the best. This is the best nightstand ever. Let me get my stuff to put this camera, because your girl is tired. Like, they move. Hold on. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm really. Where is this thing where I always put my phone here? Take this jacket out. My bedroom is a mess. I have a bunch of stuff in here. You guys don't want to You people have no idea what has been popping. What has been going. We have been having parties. Not party, but like no. What I mean is like just small get together. Remove this earpiece so I'm not shouting at you guys. Just small get together in the house, in my bedroom. It'll be going down. Like I have, like, follow me on my beauty channel, which I have a full gist for you guys that has been going on with this macaroons. Like, yo, your girl has been having energy, but I don't even want to go into details on this video. I will go into details on this video on my vlog on my beauty channel. Like, that macaroons has been giving your girl some energy, man. So we've just been going down. Oh my god, my nightstand. This is what the nightstand is already fixed. So what I did is that, oh, this bedroom is it's so crazy here. What I did is that I have, let me bring the camera down. I have this white one. It's like the small chair that I used to sit on whenever I'm doing my beauty videos. That's what I use as nightstand. So now, let's try. Let's open these windows a little bit, yeah, so that we can have some sunlight coming through. So I have all this stuff here. Just coming home from driving, yo. This is how your girl goes down. Like, yo, I'm so happy that this thing is already fixed. Yo, it's so good. Ah, got some chocolates. Got me some stuff. Like, oh. All of these things. Oh, it's so good. Water. My laptop charger. So now I can actually get rid of this one. Do I need to clean here? Yeah, I need to. Oh my god. I have been looking for this headphone for my phone, but I haven't really. Oh my god, this is so crazy. This is really, really crazy. This is so crazy. So you know what? I need to vacuum this area. Tommy? Wie maakt je stofzuiger pakken? Waar is die? Beneden, volgens mij. So, I'm so happy. I love this drawer. It's so beautiful. It has this really beautiful tribal thing. It reminds me of Africa. If you guys don't know, I really love wood. If not because I like simple, I don't like the room to be choke. I love like wooden stuff, like in the living room. My dining table is also like raw wood, which I also really, really love. So yes, I'm so happy. I'm really, really happy, guys. Ja, zet mij even op de grond, zet mij even in de stopcontact voor mij dan. You know what? Because the stofzuiger is not that big, I'm going to have to put something here. This old towel, so mag ik de stofzuiger? So I can put the stofzuiger on top of here so I can vacuum this area. Oh, my nightstand is here! Ja, ja. Haal die grote ding, die hoofdstand eruit. Wat is er met jou? Wat is er met jou? Ik zie het een beetje vervelend te kijken. Geef mij gewoon die stofzuiger zelf. Ik heb voor jou de schoenen, maar ik kom zo kijken. Eerst mag ik even deze afmaken, oké? Ja. So let's put the soap sample here. And now let's put the nightstand. I don't have like a lot of space here, so I was looking for something very tiny. Yes. Oh, yes. It fits exactly. You guys can't see it now. Okay, let me get out of the way. It fits because there's a really tiny space here. Yes. So this is like wood. Oh, it can't comes out. No, it can't. It can't totally comes out, but it comes out to the fullest. So now I have this one here. This is my notebook where I kind of write down all my spendings and things that I buy when it comes to food, like how I manage my money. So I put this one here, and I have some bills to pay. Put those one here as well. Those unwanted tablets for the kids. This is just a backup. We don't use this one often, so this one is going down here. In here it's just like some medication. Gotta organize this one too. Put this one in here. Oh, this. I think. And I'm going to put my medications in here. Yeah, chocolates. My chocolates. I'm gonna put them right here as well. This one comes in here. And in here, I'm gonna have my power bank. A little light, because I really don't like to sleep in the dark. Before I used to like it, but now I don't like it. Tissue paper. Put it right here where the medicine is. I'm going to put this thing here so that the drawer at the last drawer is empty. I'm gonna put this here. The pens. I'm gonna put my pen. You know what? I'm gonna put the pen in here where the medications are. Okay, that's it. This one's going somewhere. Oh, this one. Oh, oh. This one will have to stand. This one is the Wi-Fi, to strengthen the Wi-Fi inside the room, like when it's time for editing and stuff like that. I want to see if I can put it like on the ground. Yep. Put it on the ground. And all of this craziness here. I have to clean all of this here. But yeah, you know what? Let me just tidy this room a little bit. I'm going to put my little plants on top. Let me just tidy a little bit. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. As you guys can see all the sunlight. This is what it's looking like. It looks really nice, you know, and it fits exactly there. So I'm going to try to like clean a little bit and then put my flowers so I can show you guys the finished result. Yeah. So guys, this is what it's looking like. It's a bit dark right now. It's very dark, a little bit dark late at night. So as you guys can see, I have my stuff charging on the bed. But this is what it looks like right now. It's really nice and it fits the keep it exactly. I have my little plants because I don't actually put anything here. I have this spider plant, which is very, very good. I love spider plants. The one that I have in the living room, it has already grown into something else. Hopefully when it stand here and it will get enough sunlight. So yeah, but this is it. It looks really nice. So you have like 4 mini drawers, which are really good. They kind of opened all the way, but then it has something here that has stopped it from coming all the way out. But this one is so nice for the fact that it's came like this. You don't have to do anything, it's already fixed. I really, really love it. That's just a plus for me. I really love it. So yeah, this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think of my nightstand. It's a little bit like I have all the cables here, so now when I want to edit, when I want to charge, I just have the charger thing standing right there in the corner, and I just charge my stuff. And when I'm done charging, I just remove everything and I just put everything underneath there. I just put everything, all the charger in there, and this one is just like old stuff. Here I have some of my stuff, and yeah, this is it. So let me know what you guys think. I really, really love it. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.